Welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to mount your lens on a camera, and this is the Sony FX30 I'm with here, and I just removed the lens cap. You can see the lens cap here, and I'm with my Sigma lens for Sony f2.8 and 15mm to 50mm lens. So I'm just going to mount it. Now, to mount your lens on your camera, if you look really close here, can you zoom in here? You see a dot here and a dot here. First, you need to align those two dots properly. When you align them, then you rotate it right, clockwise. When you rotate clockwise, you're going to hear a clicking sound like this. You hear that clicking sound. So when you hear that clicking sound, that means the camera has now stayed in place. If you want to remove the camera as well, you click here and then you rotate anti-clockwise to remove. So we're going to take that again. Take your lens, align the white point and mount it here, rotate clockwise. So this is the lens cap here. And sorry, like I said earlier, this is the lens cap. The initial one I removed was the sensor cap. This is the sensor cap, this is the lens cap. So take note of that correction. Alright, so once you're sure your camera lens is in place, then you can start shooting. What you need to do is ensure there's a battery for FX30. This is where we'll mount the battery. You can see there's no battery here. Come with me, I have some batteries available here. Then this is Sony FX30 battery. So I'm just going to put it here. So when you mount your battery in place, you can switch it on here. This is where you turn on your lens. You can see I need to perform a pixel mapping. Pixel mapping is just a way for your camera to adjust some quality and clarity, you know, just for the technicalities, whatever that means. So yeah, adjust pixel mapping, and for you to do pixel mapping, your lens cap needs to be on. You have to make sure your lens cap is on. So perform pixel mapping, optimize the image sensor. Okay, just did that. It's processing. You have to let it get done. And once your camera is done, it switches on. Pixel mapping completed. Come close. Pixel mapping completed. So that is how to mount your lens, and now I'm going to remove my lens cap so you see what it looks like. So I just removed my lens cap now. If you notice, you can see, come close, you can see the image I'm getting from here on the lens. So I'm going to turn out now so that you can see it better. Come to this side. So I'm just going to reduce the ISO of this, the shutter and ISO, adjust it a little bit to suit the outdoor scene. You can see that. All right. So you can start shooting. The lens I'm using is not so wide, but it's a mid-range kind of lens. I won't say mid-range, it's a medium level lens whereby I can still get a wide angle view and a closer view, but it's not like the zoom lens or the so wide angle. And yes, this camera also does well in low light. It's 2.8. Yeah, not compared to 1.8. The lens, I mean, cannot be compared to 1.8, but it still goes well in low light. Alright guys, that is how you mount your lens on a camera, to be precise, on the FX30 camera. Subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon if you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up and share. Make sure you share. I'll see you in my next video.